while back my car battery died and I had to get a new one, and after I replaced the battery, my hooter stopped working and my radio stopped working, and I haven't had a chance to fix it since. I've taken it in for a service and they sent it back and nothing was fixed. Luckily my dad is here to help me. We ordered a new hooter part and today we're gonna try replace the hooter and see if maybe that just works. Yeah, we still haven't figured out how to do the radio, but yeah, hopefully this video will help you save.
How's it, guys? The bumper, you got to remove the bumper to get to the horn, and the bumper is just kept on with a couple of these studs here, and then under the mud guard there's some screws. The tricky one is underneath there. That's the last one, and then at the bottom there's also a couple of screws. I think it's about 4 or so. Remove the screws, the studs, the whole bumper just comes off, and it's like snip and bob's your aunt. These you just, with a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, just work it out here. There we go. And so that's the first one out. You can actually pull it out completely. So this is just what happens here. So that little middle section needs to come out to relieve the pressure. You just pull it out. Little pro tip here. Pro tip is have a little bowl to put all the parts in, and then you know that if you've got parts left there, you a little bit of trouble.
Pro tip.
Another pro tip: in order to access the ones under the wheel well here, just turn the wheel. These clips can be a little bit difficult to get out because of all the dirt and grime that gets in them, so you just got to be patient. Okay, there's one sneaky little one here. You see under this cover here, that one. Okay, so that's done, and then you can turn the wheel, you know.
My dad's busy taking out the last one, but we've taken out all of these little goodies, and next the bumper will come off easily.
Okay, this here just snaps out. Okay, and then we just gotta. Okay, so this is the horn here, and we're simply going to. You just gotta take the horn off.
The hooter or horn.
There we go, and okay, this is looking promising. Put that one in there. Okay, we might need to modify this slightly so it will clip on. Okay, I think the best is probably to have the horn just facing down so that if any water does splash up from the road, it doesn't get stuck in. Try the horn once more. Hey!
Yes!
So, we got the horn working. See the smile on her face, people. That's how you make your daughter happy. This here, it's a little bit of a force. What I want you to have a look at is just come check at the bottom here. You see this has to go in underneath. So if you struggle to get this back on, just make sure that you've got it all aligned properly. At the bottom here, there's a little flap. Now the screw goes in there and through this blue little clip here, and you're going to make sure that you're getting that underneath before you try and put it in. Otherwise it won't go in.
I see.
So
we got all of these in.
I'll start.
Yes!
The red one that we took out here.
What? Oh yeah, it's in my car.
Okay. I just want to show you. Okay, the last thing we want to check is the fuse. So the fuse box sits under a protective rain cover, and on the back of the fuse box they usually indicate which fuse is what. So there's the horn fuse. Now I know the fuse wasn't blown because I previously checked it, but I just want to show you what a blown fuse looked like. So there's a little tool usually in the fuse box looks like that. And this tool gets used to remove the fuse, so you just pop it over and pull it out. And you can actually see with the naked eye if the fuse is blown or not. If I hold this up, you see the two little metal strips going up, and they right at the top it's broken. In the fuse compartment you usually have spares, so it's indicated that we've got a 10 amp, a 20 amp and a 15 amp spare. This is a 10 amp for the horn, so I'm just going to pop out the 10 amp and let me just show you what the unbroken, you see it makes a proper little N at the top. I'll put the blown fuse next to it and you can see the difference there. Okay, so this one's blown, and all you need to do is pop this back in, and there we go. We've removed one of the spares, so you just take this to your favorite auto shop and ask him for a replacement.
Right.
And that's it. When all done, don't forget to replace the cover. Good to go.
And?
That was a good job, Nina. Well
Thanks,
done.
Dad.
But, oops, we forgot the... and there we go.
Cool.
Okay.